Happy Earth Day, everyone. I'm just going to show you a cool way to look at our planet using Google and a lot of other satellite providers' contributions using Google Earth. So even on a web browser, you can just go to earth.google.com and then it'll ask you to launch Google Earth, and once you do that, it'll go to earth.google.com/web. Here, once you go there, I'm right now looking at Deckers Creek in West Virginia, Morgantown, West Virginia. And you can go to the search bar here in the left corner and type in, like I've typed here, Deckers Creek, Morgantown, West Virginia. It'll take you there. Of course, if you want to go somewhere else, from here, close enough, you can just type that. It'll bring up a suggestion, and then the map will move on its own. And take you to Pittsburgh. Now, let's say you want to go even farther away to see actually the globe in process. Let me pick a farther place. This would be a city in India, northeastern India, but it's on the banks of a mighty river, Brahmaputra, which is why I'm picking Guwahati, Assam, or you can pick Tezpur, which is also close to the river. Let's go. It zooms back and then rotates the globe and then zooms in right to Guwahati. Now this is a fairly large city, so the city center is here. This is the river, and you can, zoom back a little here, go upstream on the river. See how wide this river is. Now you're looking at the scales. This actually, I don't know if it shows a scale, but you can always pause it and look at the scale. You can switch to a 3D orientation or a 2D orientation here as you need. And then if you go from here somewhere else, you can pick let's see, I just picked up something I've heard in a couple of Bond movies. I don't really, know much about this place, Severnaya. It's a little island somewhere in Russia. Whoa, it's a cold place. Okay. So we are there. And then I guess from there we can always go to Antarctica. Alright, that's not a good. We'll just do Antarctica region. At this point, Antarctica is so big that it's not going to zoom in anywhere, unfortunately. And I don't remember anything off the top of my head, so I'm going to skip that and then go to the Congo River Basin. Let's see if this gives me a good zoomed in central location for the river. It's fair enough, but not as close as I'd hoped. But here we go. I'm assuming the river forms the boundary between two countries, which is why it's around here. So there you have it. And I don't know what this lake is. I'm going to look this up later on. But Google Earth is a lot of fun.